In Google Classwork, you're able to create questions for your students. To do this, you're going to click on the plus create button and select question. In this section, you're able to create two different types of questions, short answer and multiple choice. When you're creating your question, you can also customize who you'd like to give these questions to by clicking on all students. You can have all students and give this to your entire class, or you can select the students you would like to ask the question to. I'm going to go ahead and type in my question. And I'm going to give an instruction for my students. I could give points, or I can leave this ungraded. I can give my students a due date of when I would like this to be answered. So I can even schedule this during my class, and I would like this to be submitted before my class ends. And I can link this to a topic that I've created in my classroom. So since I would like this to be short answer, I'm going to leave it as that. But if I wanted it to be multiple choice, I can easily start typing in the option. And it just links me to all of the different items, and I can have an unlimited section there, but I'm going to leave it at short answer. Right now it's swiped right, so that means students can reply to each other. So if I wanted them to maybe start having a team activity where they can discuss where the setting really is in the story and they can start communicating to each other, I could leave it like that. In this case, I'm going to choose not to and just have where no students can reply to each other. I want this to be completely individualized. And I would actually like my students to be able to edit their answer. If I would like, I can also provide material for my students to help them out with this question by attaching documents. For my Google Drive, I could have helpful videos or links that I could also use that can help them answer this question. I can assign this question at specific times. So right now, if I was to ask, it would ask all of my students right now, and to be honest, it's way past their bedtime. They don't need to be asked a question at this time. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule this question to the time when we're in class. So right now, if I was to click on schedule, I can schedule it for that time, and the time that I submitted my due date means that they have a limited amount of time to answer that question, so that should be done in class. You can see that it's shaded gray. That means it is scheduled to be posted at the time that I would like. If I needed to make any edits, I can click on the drop-down menu here, and I can edit, I can delete, I can move it up, which would show first if I wanted that to be in the classwork section. Asking our students questions are a really great way to see where our students are at and can really help with differentiated learning. So have fun exploring questions in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.